Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. And we are at 200th video. We have reached quite a good number and some of you are speaking quite well already. I'm very happy about that. And this is a super short video. I keep posting these simple lessons regularly because when you reach a good level, you could still be slipping in some basic aspects of the language. These videos can help you get over that. So this might seem like a simple video, yet you can learn a lot from this. This channel is aimed at helping people to learn spoken Tamil, the way that people communicate. So if you are interested to learn formal and written Tamil alongside, you could show your interest in the comment section and I'll try to make videos based on that. For those of you new to this channel, this is 200th video, which means there are 199 videos for you to learn Tamil in a very thorough manner. You can watch them all by clicking the link on the down right. And there's also the Instagram channel Learn Speak Tamil, where you can learn Tamil through Instagram posts and short videos regularly. Let us see Yenakku. Some of you are confusing between Na and Yenakku. Let us learn it here. Yenakku, Yenaka. It is for me. Is it for me? Yenakku, Yenaka. Vanakku, Vanakka. It is for you. Is it for you? Vanakku, Vanakka. So this is singular and informal or less respectful term. Avanukku, Avanukka. It is for him. Is it for him? Avalukku, Avalukka. It is for her. Is it for her? Avarukku, Avarukka. It is for him. Is it for him? Avarukku, Avarukka. So this is the respectful form of he. Avangalukku, Avangalukka. It is for her. Is it for her? Avangalukku, Avangalukka. So this is the respectful form of she. Hence for both the he and she I have used capital letters. Engalukku, Engalukka. It is for us. Is it for us? Engalukku, Engalukka. Ungalukku, Ungalukka. It is for you. Is it for you? Ungalukku, Ungalukka. Avangalukku, Avangalukka. It is for them. Or is it for them? I'm sure the previous one was easy, so let us see the next one, just for practice. Yenakku pidikala. I don't like it. Yenakku pidikala. So it is not naam pidikala, but yenakku pidikala. Unakku pidikala. You don't like this. Unakku pidikala. Avanukku pidikala. He doesn't like. அவனுக்கு பிடிக்கல. அவளுக்கு பிடிக்கல. She doesn't like. அவளுக்கு பிடிக்கல. அவருக்கு பிடிக்கல. He doesn't like. அவருக்கு பிடிக்கல. அவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கல. She doesn't like. அவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கல. எங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கல. We don't like. எங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கல. உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கல. You don't like. உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கல. அவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கல. They don't like. அவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கல. Just or in fact, I don't like it either. This is a wordy phrase in English. We don't say like this, but in Tamil we use such a phrase to emphasize. Enakkum pidikkala means I do not like it too, or even I do not like it. But adding ta or kuda is to emphasize the fact that you do not like it at all. Enakkum ta pidikkala or enakkum kuda pidikkala. Enakkum ta or kuda pidikkala. Unakkum ta or kuda pidikkala. Unakkum kuda pidikkala. Avanukkum ta pidikkala. Avanukkum kuda pidikkala. Avalukkum ta pidikkala. Avalukkum kuda pidikkala. So both are fine. Avarukkum ta pidikkala. Avarukkum kuda pidikkala. Avangalukkum ta pidikkala. அவங்களுக்கு கூட பிடிக்கல. எங்களுக்கும் தான் பிடிக்கல, எங்களுக்கும் கூட பிடிக்கல. உங்களுக்கும் தான் பிடிக்கல, உங்களுக்கு கூட பிடிக்கல. அவங்களுக்கும் தான் பிடிக்கல, அவங்களுக்கும் கூட பிடிக்கல. So if you wish to understand the difference between na and உனக்கு or நீ and உனக்கு, you can watch the video number 108, I or to me. If you like and enjoy learning from this channel, you can subscribe and like the videos so that the channel reaches more learners like you, and you could also press the bell icon to be notified of new videos. All the best with your Tamil learning. See you again with another interesting video.